Is it on? Alright, good. Hey folks, this is Lake Griswold here, and this is my outdoor channel audition tape. Today I'm going deer hunting. Whoa, that Miller Lite's good. Alright. And also to help out, I brought my son to teach him how to go hunting. Alright. I come out here behind somebody's house, and I've heard there's deer out here, so hope the neighbors don't work. Hold on. Hope the neighbors don't mind us coming out here. Ah, it's good, some beer. Man, that's some good ones. Alright. I think I see some. Out that yonder way. Alright, now. Let me put my beer down. Alright now, son. I'm going to teach you how to hold a gun. Alright now. Wait, got it backwards, sorry. Now remember, you always gotta hold the end at your eye. Alright, you ready? Ready? Aim. Fire! Son? You okay? Alright, he's all fine. Outdoor channel, please watch this. Get up, you big baby.